Shemai! Ukulele sizes. I'm just going to take a very quick look at the most popular sizes that ukuleles come in. So there's actually loads of different sizes of ukulele. I'm just going to look at the most popular ones today. So the three normal ukuleles, I say that because they're all tuned the same, are the soprano, the concert and the tenor sized ukuleles. Now if we look at the three of those together for a minute, the soprano is the smallest. It's normally about 21 inches in length, overall length, which works out at about 53.5 centimetres. The concert ukulele is about 23 inches in length, or roughly 59 centimetres, and the tenor ukulele is about 26 inches, roughly 66 centimetres if you're going down the metric route. Generally they are sized in inches, but that just gives you an idea of the three of them side by side. So the first one we're going to look at is the soprano, 21 inches in overall length. Let's play it and have a listen to it. Okay, it is a little ditty, beautiful little things, they really are. This isn't actually my preferred choice, but I do enjoy playing the soprano. There is no right or wrong. Everybody can choose whatever sized uke they want to play, and very often play several different sizes. So there we go, that's the soprano, the normal smaller size. There are smaller than this, sopranino, and even smaller again, but there we are, the soprano ukulele. So there we go, there's the soprano compared to the concert ukulele, which is what we're going to look at now. So, the concert uke, probably a little bit more suitable for adults, but as I said, there's no right and wrongs with this, it's just what suits you. 23 inches overall, it's the same pitch as the soprano. It's exactly the same to play, same strings, same chords, okay? Let's have a listen to the concert. So there's our concert ukulele. Again, it's going to be what's most suitable for you. This is actually my preferred choice of size, but I play all the different sizes. So moving on up, there's our concert, here's our tenor. Now, just to give a little comparison in size. Again, it's exactly the same tuning. All right, you can get any size ukulele with a low G. Have a check out, I've done a video on that already, but in this case, this has got a re-entrant or a high G on it, so it's exactly the same sounding pitch-wise as the soprano and the concert. So there we go, that's the tenor. Again, as I said, it's got the same pitch, but the tone is fuller, all right? So let's think of the soprano has a brighter tone, this has a fuller tone. You can't say it's lower because it's not. The pitch is exactly the same, but the fact that you've got the bigger body with this gives it a fuller tone. So there you are, there is quite a difference. If you look at the size between a little soprano and a tenor, okay, that's a fair difference in size with that, all right, but they're exactly the same to play and they have exactly the same pitch. Very, very quickly, here's our tenor, here is our baritone. Now, I'm assuming if you're looking to start playing ukulele, you're looking at the traditional G-C-E-A tuning. This isn't. Baritone is different. Baritone is D, G, B, E. Okay, so it is a different sound. Now obviously it's bigger. Alright, it's a different pitch. Okay. That just gives you a very, very rough idea. There's loads of brilliant resources out there for baritone. Okay, I'm not one of them, I'm afraid, but that just gives you an idea of the baritone ukulele. So there we go, different size ukuleles, and they can be very different sized, but certainly soprano, concert and tenor are all exactly the same to play. And don't forget, go and check out my other video on buying ukuleles, because I talk about the size in that, but I also talk about budgets and where to buy them. And if you want to know more about a low G string on ukuleles, I've also done a recent video on that as well. So I do hope you've enjoyed the video and you've learned something from it. As always, if you've got a comment or a question, pop it below. Don't forget, give us a like if you've enjoyed the video and subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.